morning. Good morning, Peyton. Thank you for buying this piece. I'm going to go ahead and do some sound checks for you. I'm going to be playing a Telecaster. This is actually a no-caster if you wanted to be specific. That's the kind of pickup that's in there. And I'll go through some of the settings. Right now it's plugged in here. I haven't even tried anything. I just kind of left it where it was. But let me just go ahead and strum a little bit. And like I said, I'll go through the settings. I am playing the bridge pickup on this guitar. So we're at number. Get some of that hum down. We're on. I'm not sure if you can see in the camera, but we're dialed in at 6 here, a 6 here, and a 2 here. We're in the channel number 1. Let's hear what it sounds like, a chord. Alright, it can go louder, but you hear it's breaking up sweetly right now. We're in the dark channel. Let's go up onto the bright channel. My guitar is going out of tune now, but that's alright. Let me go ahead and go through some of this still though. Let me dime it for you. Sounds pretty good in the room. I'm not sure how that's translating on the camera, but sounding good. Let's dial this in. These are all dialed down to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and looks like a 5. Let's go to the main channel. This is the vibrato channel. I've got the pedal out here as well, and the vibrato channel does not work actually, apparently. And I might have put that in the ad because I'm actually remembering that now as well. But that reverb sounds pretty darn good. And let me go ahead and dial this in. This is on a 5, treble is on a 1, and the bass is on a 1. So let's go ahead and dial it in better. this piece. I think you're going to really enjoy it. I'm going to box it up right now. Actually, I have to go to buy the box right now. It's going to be a nice double wall box. This thing is going to be protected. It's going to be in a tank of a box. So congratulations on your purchase. Thing has got so much mojo. Those speakers are perfect for this amplifier. Well, again, thank you, Peyton, for your purchase. I hope you have a great day. I'll be in touch with emails with you, and yeah, you'll see this baby soon. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.